Hello everyone. I don't know why do I start my video just by saying hello everyone. I might start with like a little bit of story, but every time I just stuck, I just do this. And that's me. I'm cute and chaotic, weird, and a total weird person. Curious like hell. And last but not the least part, I'm a total mess. Why do I do this? There are so many things that I need to learn, and my body language wasn't right. And I need to do a lot more improvements in my life. I know there are many. So today we have to talk about something different thing. Of course, I need to fix my hair first. So the thing I want to tell you is today I had my viva. Things were going pretty much funny. It's kind of funny that I talked with friends who are sitting just next to me, and the one thing that struck me was I went to viva. And I'm really telling you, I'm not good at expressing anything that I feel, and I don't understand things. I can't express them properly if I didn't understand. So I always try to understand the things, all the things I study, and then only I can explain it. The thing is, I didn't understand the practical that I got. I just read it before going to the Viva. And I went there and I started speaking in my mother tongue, Marathi, of course. But then she asked me, the teacher, can you not speak in English? Should I have replied that, yes, I can, but I'm not comfortable? But rather, I said, yes, I can. And went on explaining all the things that I learned and that I know about. And that's all I said. But it's like, does it really matter? And should my response would have been different to that thing? I think I should have responded differently. Yes, I can, but I feel more comfortable in this. Then it would not be that much rude. But seems like I'm not good at English. I know I'm not good, and I need to improve so much. Recently, in some time, I was seeing effortless things, and while I can speak with anyone, but nowadays I feel I stuck. I stuck. I can't express properly. Even the words I was trying to say just before a second, I was trying to say properly. Before that, I stuck. I am strumbling, and a lot of things are happening. I don't know why, because of my nervous system, and I was really feeling scared all this time. I don't know why. It's like always I'm scared. Earlier, I'm not used to be like this because I have knowledge of power. I make this sentence wrong. I said I have power of knowledge. That's what I do. That's what I always do. Those are the things I always do, and I fuck up. That's all happened in my life. But still, that you are listening to me, so I need to tell you that things are going pretty well as well. I mean, I got friends and I talk with a lot of people these days. It feels nice. We had like a little bit of plans going on. I hope they will succeed in because I never because my plans never succeed. So I try to go with the flow. Whatever life throws at me, I try to be with it. But the things are sometimes I want my plans to follow up and have give me a good sense of being, make me happy. At the moment right now, I don't know what I'm feeling. I really don't know what I'm speaking in the camera. I was just speaking. I'm just speaking for the sake of speaking. Because I need to speak because I hate my voice. I really hate it. And I hate it so much, and I come across a Instagram reel where he said that. I thought, why not to take some random stranger's advice and try to do the things that I feel I should. So I just took his advice, and he said that you have to record yourself and you just have to do it now today, and then tomorrow you have to review it. Just do it. You have to listen to it, and after that you have to mute that video and you have to look how your expressions are and how was your body language, and then you will find it if you really hate it or not. Well, I don't remember all the steps actually. It's kind of half knowledge, so don't believe on me. Okay, don't believe. I'm really suggesting it because half knowledge is that it's never a good thing to have, which I do have always, and I really mess up things. And I have this feeling and this fear of people judging me. I always do because everywhere I used to go, they judge me. When I was child, even now as well, I know I don't look that pretty. And when I was child, I'm quite messed up child. And there's a gap in my teeth which makes me lucky person. I know I'm very lucky. I do actually. I'm very lucky. So the other thing I want to tell you, when I was child, people like tell me everywhere I go. Like I used to go to my aunt's house because I love it there. She has such a welcoming nature and very lovely nature, and I really used to like it. So I went to her house into her village, but the other people there they judge me. They don't like me. And on the other hand, my sisters are very beautiful. They're really beautiful, so they didn't get that much of judgment. And it just struck me. It struck me so much. Sometimes I think, why did it have to strike me so much? Why I'm so stupid, so dumb that other people just neglect those things, but I couldn't. Even now, I have this thing in me. I don't see this thing in the beautiful people. I don't. They just don't care about things that I do care. I care so many, like such a small things that I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't, but I do. I mean, no one should do that, but I do, and it makes me feel worse. Like, why should I care about what someone is thinking about me if I made them hurt? No one cared about me. But I just think from my perspective because someone made me feel insecure, bad about myself at that time. And I don't want to make someone feel just someone else made me feel about myself. I never wanted that. And I would never want it. But in the race of not wanting that, I sometimes do that. I really do that. I hate it, but I do. And these are the things that I hate about myself. But there are a lot of plenty of things I should be proud of. And I think I'm in at this time I'm getting not many I would say, but a lot of things in my life. A lot. And thank you very much for listening to me.